big cap tech stocks are the biggest losers in the stock market for now. We have Joe Tigay of Equity Arm Investments ready to roll with us today. Joe, the Dow is on a tear now above 41,000, and the small caps are ripping up the chart. What are your three to watch in the market?
Yeah, well, starting off with, you know about this because you cover this so well, is the extending recovery in the Russell 2000. The small caps had a lot of catch up to do, and it seems like they want to do it all in like 2 weeks. It's just been an amazing stretch for small caps. And how much longer can this continue is a great question, but it just continues on, and it just continues to get extended in that area. At the same time, we're seeing some pain in the mega caps and especially some of the tech names. And speaking of that, we're seeing volatility back in the market, Angie. We're seeing volatility come back in a big way. Got the VIX back up close to that 14 level. It's been down under 13 for a period here. So volatility is coming back, even though we're in the middle of these summer months where we're expecting some slow days. So, there's been some worldwide events and some domestic events, which obviously are causing that. And we were expecting this to happen closer to the election, but we should just buckle up and be prepared for it because while it's been a crazy couple of weeks when we're talking about the election, it's going to continue throughout the rest of the season. So we'll just be prepared for that. And speaking of which is the Trump trade, which seems to be on. People are maybe favoring certain industries, some certain sectors, maybe thinking about tax cuts, corporate benefits, perhaps. Also, we're starting to see some of the tariff worries, like the flip side of that, coming back, and maybe looking at stocks which might be hurt by certain tariffs, certain industries. So that's just another factor of this all. But I would caution anyone putting too much weight into this right now. Sometimes this trade gets overdone. You might get a little bit of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, or it might be wrong completely. So this is very early stages, and just is going to add to the volatility.
Well said, Joe. We thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.